Okay, again, let me talk in this section about some built-in functions that already shipped with Python. So if you go to Python website, you'll see this, some functions that shipped. So we will talk about some important one that you use it a lot in your coding. So let me start by map function. So to start map function, I'll just create a new file, a new Python file. I will name it map function. Okay. So think about you have if we create it, so okay. So now think about you have list of items. So list items, and this list items have number of elements like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you want to multiply each element of this list by 2. So what you will do, you have to define a temporary temp list. Okay, then you say, hey, this list is empty, doesn't have anything. Then you do for loop for every item in the list item, this one. Then after that, you try to do temporary list dot append. What you append, you append this item, but you want to multiply by 2, so you say x multiply by 2. That's mean, hey, every element when he go to first one, he multiplied by 2, he added here. He go to the second element, he multiplied by 2, he go here. Then he continue. When he done, let me print the temp list. Okay, temp whatever, just print in directory. You could do it in this way, temp list. Okay, now if I just run it, you should have, this is the second list. So also to be clear, you could print the first list item. So you would see it, you would see the first list, you'll see the second list, how he do double for every element. But see how much lines we wrote to do this process. However, with map the process is really easy. Here with map, and here without map. Okay, without map. So let me think about how we do it with map. With map is really easy and simple. So think about, you have temp list to equal. What you do with map? First of all, you expect you want to do mapping. So you say map, you open a bracket. Then you need you need to do a specific function. You need every element you take it, you multiply it by 2. So you need to use a function. You implement function. I will implement lambda function. This lambda function take x and will return for us x multiplied by 2. You remember how lambda function work. You could do it in this way in lambda, and you could do it as a normal function. For what? For every element in this list. So now every element in the list, he will take it. If you see map the map process is working in this way. He will take every element, and he will pass it as x multiplied by 2 and return it to you as a map. But here's list, here's map. I want to convert it to map. Really easy. Just say just write list, and that is, you convert it to list. See, one line, very simple. So if I print it again, temp list or temp list 2, you will see it as the same result, hopefully. Yes, every element 1, 2, 4, 6. You know what? Because here I use a double multiply. I think here you go now, because here I use it 2. You have to use 1. So see it, very easy. This one, the one line is equivalent to 4 lines. So which is really awesome. Like, this is how map work. If you still get confused with lambda and how lambda work, it's really easy. Like, you see it, lambda, you get the input, you do some process on the input, and that is, so he will take every element, he will pass it on the input, he do process for it, and he return it back for you. So think about, you want to do another process for this list. You need to add 3 for every element. What you will do? Okay, so you say with map add 3. That one was with map was mul by 2. Okay, so think about it. Temp list 3 or temp list 3 equal. What you expect the result that you expect is the list. So you need to do map between what? You need every element you get it. So lambda, every x you want to add 3 elements. So x plus 3. So every element x coming as input, you add 3 1 for it. For what? For list items. And that's you done. So now if I just print it, print temp list 3, and you're done. So now if you see it, you see here I have 1 b3, 1 b4, 2 b5, 3 b6. So it's really helpful if you want to apply it on your data. So see it how much it's easy, how much it's simple. And here we done, and see you next.